Hello, little engineers. Welcome to Fun with Robotics. This is Urmi speaking from Gobeshona Learning Academy. Today, you will learn about all blocks deep dive. So, in Scratch program, there's lot of block. So, you will learn about the blocks, and after that, you will be able to do programming. So, this is Scratch interface. This is how it looks like. So in Scratch programming tool, there are lots of block program. So first you can see the motion block. So in this motion block, there are many blocks here. So move 10 steps. So it will move forward. Turn 15 degrees. It will rotate by 15 degrees in right side. Turn 15 degrees, it will rotate 15 degrees in the left side. Go to XY coordinate, it will stay in the fixed place. Go to mouse pointer sprite, it will go to mouse or any sprite. Change X coordinate by 10. That means it will move X coordinate and it will move by left or right. Set X to 0. So it will stay at fixed place of X coordinate. Change Y by 10, it will move left and right in the Y coordinate. That means up down movement. Set Y to 0, it will stay fixed in the Y coordinate. So if on edge bounce, it will bounce in the wall. Set rotation style. It will fix the rotation movement. X position, Y position, and direction. It will show the present situation. So, looks block. There are many blocks here. Say hello for 2 seconds. It will say hello in the bubble for 2 seconds. Think for 2 seconds. It will do the same as say hello. Switch costume to, it will change the sprite's costume or character's costume. It will show up the costume. Switch backdrop to, it will change the stage background. Show and hide, it will show and it will hide. Next backdrop, it will go to the next backdrop or stage. Change color effect by 25. It will change the color of any sprite by changing the value. Set effect to 0. It will fix the effect value. Clear graphic effects. It will remove all graphical effects that are applied. Change size by 10. It will reduce or increase size. It will increase or reduce size. Say set size to 100%, it will set the fixed value. Sound block. So you can see play sound mu until done. So you can understand that sound will continuously play until it's done. Start sound, it will start. Stop all sound, it will stop all sound. Change effect by 10, it will increase or reduces the sound. Set pitch effect to 100, it will set the fixed value of the sound. So clear sound effect, it will remove all sound effect. Change volume by -10, that means it will reduce or increase the volume. Set volume to 100%, it will set the fixed volume, it will show the percentage of volume. Event block, when green flag clicked, the program will run. When key is pressed, it will work. when the sprite clicked, it will work. When backdrop switches, if background is changed, then the program will run. When loudness greater than 10, it will work by sound condition. When I receive message, if a message is received, it will run. And then control block. Wait 1 second. It will wait for 1 second. Repeat 10. It will repeat for 10 times. Forever, the program will be continuously run. This is loop, forever loop. If then, if and else condition. If this condition is matched, the program will run. Otherwise, if the condition is not matched, it will also run by another condition. Wait until. It will wait when the condition is matched. Repeat until. It's the same as wait until. Stop. So whole program will be stopped. Repeat until. It will work until the condition is matched. What is sprite? You can see there is a character cat. This is called sprite. It can be human, cat, ball, or even a curse and object. How to add sprite? You can see the sprite icon here. If you click in the sprite icon, there will be a library, and in the library there are many ready-made sprites, so you can choose from there, or you can paint your own sprite from by click this, and you can upload from your laptop or phone or gallery. So you can also upload sprite by click this icon, and this is surprise option. If you click on this, sprite scratch will surprise you by giving random character or sprite. So, what can a sprite do actually? So, it can move, talk, think, it can change its costume, it can sound, it can talk, it can interact with others, and it also can clone itself. So, let's see how to add sprite. So, choose a sprite. I click this icon. I can choose any of sprite. So, I can select and choose this sprite and click this, and it will appear in the stage. Okay, let's do some practice work. So practice 1, you can see here is a character or sprite, and the block program is when clicked and move 30 steps. So how it will work? It will move by 30 steps forward. Let's see. So you can see the interface of Scratch. So when green flagged, click. So this is from event block, and this is actually run the program. Move 30 step. The sprite will move forward 30 step. So this block is from the motion block. So let's run this program. When I'm clicking, it moves forward. So let's do practice 2. You can see when green flag clicked and turn 90 degrees. So it will rotate by 90 degrees in the right side. So you can see the interface and you can see the sprite. So I drag and drop the block when green flag click and turn 90 degrees in the right side. So let's see. it is rotating in the right side. Okay, so I can change the value. Let's see. Okay, I want to change the direction 90-degree. So it will rotate in the left side. So it's rotating in the left side. Practice 3. So here you can see there is a girl or human, and the code block is say hello for 2 seconds, and the sprite will say hello for 2 seconds. Let's see. Here you can see a sprite human, and here is a block code. So I drag this block from looks. So say hello for 2 seconds, and I can also change the text, and also I can change the time. So let's run it. It's saying hello for 2 seconds. So I can change the text. So let's do practice 4. You can see a bear and two red dots here. So the program is when green flag clicked, the bear will move 10 steps forward. If the touching color is red, then the bear will say, I touched red for 2 seconds. So the bear, so if the bear touched the red circle, it will say, I touched red. And if not, it will say nothing. So if is the condition, and it will run the program, or it will actually do the work if the condition is match. So let's see. So when the bear touched the red circle, it's saying I touched red. So condition is matched. So you can change the color from here, and you can change the time duration, and you can also change the text. So if the color is unmatched with this circle color, it will not work. See, I'm changing into the green, and let's run the program. So condition is not matched with this, and it's not working. Okay, let's see it again. I hope you got this. So practice 5, you can see a dinosaur, and the code block is when green flag clicked, forever loop, and motion block move 10 step. So it will move 10 step forward, and it will continue, and forever is the loop that will continue. So you don't have to click the run button again and again. So you can see the interface. Now we want the sprite to move continuously. Here we use forever loop or forever block. When the green flag clicked, it moved 10 steps forward continuously. So let's do the practice 6. You can see here a chicken, and the block is when green flag clicked forever, and point towards to the mouse pointer. So let's see how it works. Here you can see the interface and you can see the forever loop, and it will continue the program and point towards to the mouse pointer. That means the sprite look at the mouse pointer. So let's see how it works. So this is the mouse pointer, and move the mouse. The sprite's face follows the mouse. So let's practice 7. Here you can see the drum, and Scratch can use the microphone to detect sound. So we use when loudness greater than 30, say I heard the loud sound. So this means when sound is louder than 30, the sprite says I heard the sound. If you clap your hands or make a sound, the message will appear. Let's do practice 8. So you can see a sprite, and the code block is when green flag is clicked, it will run the program. Now let's use a variable. We named it score. So you can see the sprite, and this is program block. First, set it the score to 0, and then change score by 1 and wait for 1 second. And click the green flag and see the score increase step by step. And it will increase by 1. It will start from 0 and it will increase by 1, and it will wait for 1 second. So the loop is forever loop. It will continuously increase the score. Let's see the interface of this. This is the sprite and this is the program block. I drag the block from variables option, and I am clicking the score button to see the score. So set score, it will start from 0 and it will increase by 1. Let's see. And the wait time is 1 second. Let's do practice 9. So here you can see this is a sprite, or you can say this is a ball, and the program block is change color effect by 100, wait 1 seconds, and clear graphic effect. So what is that? So we can add magic color effect to the sprite, and the program is when green flag clicked, change color effect by 100. You can change the value and wait for 1 second. The color will wait for 1 second, and then it will clear the graphic. So let's see. So see the interface. I'm changing the value to 25. It's changing the color for 1 second, then it's cleared the visual graphic. I'm changing it to 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. Now let's make custom block to jump. So we can create our own block. Let's make one called jump. So here you can see the crab or sprite, and inside the jump block you can add change y by 50, wait for zero point 0.2 seconds and change y by minus 50. This means sprite will move up and then it's come down. There are two coordinates, x and y. X and y. So if the sprite wants to move left and right, it will be the x coordinate, and if the crab wants to move up and down, that means jump, the coordinate will be y. So I put the value 50 here in y axis, that means y coordinate. The crab will up in 50 step and it will wait for zero point 0.2 seconds, and it will here the value is 0, y value is 0 and x value is 0. So if the crab jump for 50 steps and if came back to the down, the value will be minus 50. For custom make block, you have to click in my block, make a block and name a block jump. So this is how I create, or you can create your own custom block. So if I run the program, let's see how it works. The crab is jumping. The crab is jumping 50 steps up and down. So now I'm giving you some assignments or tasks. So you can do this easily. So first assignment is say your name. So here's the block you need for the program. Assignment 2, move and turn. I already showed before in the practice work. And here is the block. And assignment 3 is forever walking. I also showed in the practice 4. So you can see the code block is already given. Thanks for being with Fun with Robotics.